Hey everyone, I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review, and today we're checking out the Kreg Foreman and K5 Jig. Pocket holes can be a big help for any project, and Kreg has two great options to choose from. This is the Kreg Foreman. You have your large work surface, adjustable clamp, and adjustable fence with spring-loaded stops. Just plug it in, hook your vacuum up to the back, pull the trigger, and push down. Easy pocket hole every time. The K5 is just as simple. These two sections clip in for extra work support and extra storage. You have a quick adjust height guide, dust collection port, and tool-free clamping with 3 different pocket hole options to choose from. Great for the shop or packs up for use on site. Works for wood, 1/2 inch to 1/2 thick. For pocket holes, you can't go wrong with either of these options. Thanks for watching. I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review. Like, comment, and subscribe to check out more tool reviews.